The last thing I want to touch briefly on is sorcery. Now, there's two types of sorcery, time and arcane. I don't know what the hell option C is. It shouldn't be in there. Now, if we look at any of these actions, under gameplay restrictions, it'll say time sorcery. So if we look at relativity, it says time sorcery and 2 green magic. Now, what time sorcery means is that if we want to use this action in game, we have to activate something that gives us time sorcery. As of right now, the only thing that gives us time sorcery is this equipment. If we go down to totems, the enchanted clock. If we click on the enchanted clock, we can see that it gives us a minor action, and at the bottom, it activates time sorcery. So if you want to use either of these time actions, you need to equip your fighter with the enchanted clock. Then in game, if you want to use one of these actions, you need to use the enchanted clock minor action. It just costs you a scarab, and that's going to activate time sorcery for that round in which you want to use one of these things. We can also see, in addition to providing time sorcery, Enchanted Clock also gives our fighter a boost to their timer mod, meaning that if we use this minor action, it just boosts all of our timers by 1. The other sorcery is arcane, and this is a similar thing like Rainbow Blast. We can see under gameplay restrictions, we need arcane sorcery, and that's the same with all of these. This one needs arcane sorcery, 1 water power, and 2 blue magic training. Now, the only way to get arcane sorcery is with the arcane tome here. It requires a lot of stat points, and this is because arcane magic is the most powerful magic attacks in the game. And so in order to unlock them, you need to equip your fighter with the arcane tome. And we can see the minor is going to cost us 2 scarabs, and it's going to activate arcane sorcery for us to use those powerful magic actions.